The unripe guava is also used to treat whooping cough and dry cough. For treating dry cough, grind small amount of black dried pepper properly, by any means you find the easiest. After grinding the black pepper, keep it in a bowl, with small amount of regular salt. Now cut a fresh unripe guava into little pieces. Pour small amount of salt and black pepper on the sliced guava pieces. Eating the guava with black pepper and salt can treat dry cough. For whooping cough treatment, unripe guava is sliced into small pieces and dried in the sunlight properly. Eating the sun-dried sliced guava is used to treat whooping cough. Information on this video is provided for interest and information only, and does not constitute any kind of advice.